Hello, everyone. Welcome to this webinar about Juniper Flights by Lleego. My name is Sandra Sanchez. I'm part of the Sales Consultants Juniper team. And today we will see what Juniper Flights by Lleego is all about. Before we start, you'll see that you have a panel on the right side of your screen where you can ask questions during the webinar. And when we finish, I'll dedicate a few minutes to answering them. If there are any questions left unanswered, don't worry, because we will review them afterwards and get back to you via email to respond it as soon as possible. Also, for those who are watching this video at a later stage, we will share our contact details at the end of the webinar, and if you have any further questions, our team will be happy to help. So we will start with a brief introduction, followed by an explanation of what Juniper Flights by Lleego is. Then we'll go over the products we offer and the benefits of using them. We'll conclude the webinar with a short summary, and at the end, we will let you know where you can rewatch this webinar, which is being recorded. Let me start by giving you some background information. Here we have an overview of all the modules currently available in Juniper. On the left-hand side, you can see the products to be sold, both from external suppliers and from our own contracting. The rules for all these products are defined in what we call the Juniper back office or intranet, where you can configure customers, intranet users, and business rules, such as markups, commissions, or taxes, among others. And on the right-hand side, you can see the different types of distribution channels that we offer at Juniper. And Juniper Flights by Lleego falls under the flights section, which is what we'll be focusing on today. So what is Juniper Flights by Lleego? Juniper Flights by Lleego is our business unit specialized in flights. Lleego is an innovative travel software company specializing in flight management and booking. And Juniper Flights by Lleego combines the Juniper booking engine with Lleego solutions, creating a complete flight distribution platform for travel agencies, tour operators, and other tourism companies, simplifying the flight booking process. With this merger, we have expanded our portfolio for connections and currently have more than 30 NDCs connections, several GDSs, and also low-cost airlines. Lleego's technology provides tools that optimize flight bookings and allow us to offer more functionalities in terms of fare management. In addition to the flight connections we have through Lleego, we offer the following tools for managing and properly tracking flight bookings. The booking tools, which enables the management of air bookings and optimizes agency operations by automating processes, customizing business rules, and managing content with real-time tracking from a powerful front-end back office. Payment flights, which generates virtual credit cards in real time to make exact payments for air services, and business intelligence flights, which allows the analysis of sales and customers, agency, and supplier behavior using customizable dashboards based on segments. We will now go over how each of these tools works. The Booking Tools module is a tool with both front-end and back-office systems, especially focused on flights, since, as mentioned, Lleego specializes in this area. It is designed to optimize travel agency operations and, unlike other aggregators, allows for a high level of detail in content management. It helps optimize supplier selection, showing only one result per flights, and automates the process of charging the customer and paying the supplier. The booking tools enable flight bookings to be managed from different user profiles with real-time tracking and automation of financial processes, such as recharge balance via bank transfers or POS terminals. It offers a smart search engine with advanced filters and customizable business rules. And you can also set up queues for different suppliers. We will take a look at that screen in just a few minutes. So from the top section, you can connect with a different user profiles, such as agency, agent, contact center, or administrator. There is also a balance section, as we were saying, which depends on the client setup. But if there is not enough balance and it's not possible to issue the ticket, an automated balance recharge process is triggered via bank transfer or POS terminals connecting to the banks or using your own payment gateways if available. The intelligent search engine allows filtering by stopovers classes, fare types to connect with suppliers, calendar dates, and passenger types. There are also auto filters where the system will automatically applies filters based on origin, destination, and client type. From this screen, you can access information such as whether the booking was made through Amadeus, the origin and destination, the fare type, if it's public, tour operator, Iberia, NDC, etc., and the booking status, if it's cancelled, voided, or pending issuance. You can also view live updates for each booking, receive alerts, and get email notifications. It is also possible to import a booking made outside the system to modify it. You can manage content to the level you need, and this is what sets Lleego apart from other aggregators, which typically don't manage content, but simply sends and return everything. Another key feature is that flight results are shown only once, with business rules applied to determine which supplier displays the flight. And once the supplier content is retrieved during the search, it is standardized so that all data is displayed in a unified format, clearly showing what each fare includes. Also, all financial processes are automated, allowing fees to be applied automatically for any provided service and streamlining both client billing and supplier payments. Within the back office, there are different areas, the structure, which refers to the users who will be using the tool. We can also view the configuration of the different agencies here. We can also set different configurations at the service level, such as creating a service fee with the options we want to apply. It is possible to configure credentials for different suppliers and set business rules to determine which suppliers will be used for selling based on the incentives and targets agreed upon with each supplier. You can also configure different payment methods by specifying which payments each client use. There is a queue management system available, which reads queues from different suppliers every 45 minutes. You can specify which queues to read and what actions to take with them, while also avoiding redundant messages and displaying only the relevant ones. And from Lleego fares, you can configure different fares types based on search code, supplier validity, business line, or sales channel. You can also create assignment rules, and the system supports automatic OSI generation and markup rules. There is also an option to retrieve any bookings you want to review in the Lleego capsule section. And we also have the payment flights module, which is a dynamic payment system that generates virtual cards in real time, so make exact payments for air services in each transaction with automatic backup in case of a failure, ensuring secure and efficient processing. The tool prioritized the use of cards over cash payments, optimizing the automation and control of the process. Each time a payment is to be made, then a virtual card is created on the spot and entered into the system with the exact ticket amount. If an Iberia flight is requested with a cash payment, for example, then the system first checks if a card can be used. automatically switching from cash to virtual card payment. And if the first card were to fail, the configured secondary card would be used. And if that also wouldn't work, the system would switch to cash payment. We also have the business intelligence module, business intelligence flight module, a tool that offers customizable dashboards based on segments, allowing analysis of sales and the behavior of customers, agencies, and suppliers. It can be synchronized with data outside the system and within the GDS, offering comprehensive analysis and a unique level of detail not available in GDSs like Amadeus or IATA, for example, which can be used for purposes such as rappels and improving commercial strategies. It also includes key parameters such as conversion, ancillaries, payments, and downloadable bookings. So within the Lleego's business intelligence module, there are various customizable web dashboards. And the basis for building the business intelligence is segments, since contracts negotiated with the players are done by segments, not by bookings here. The business intelligence can be synchronized with sales made by clients outside the system within the GDS, as we've said. And here from left to right, you can view everything from a summary to a more specific details, even down to the adoption to specific content by a travel agent. So by selecting the days and client you want to analyze, you can access different dashboards. Initially, a summary is shown with information about the availability request made by the client over a past year, the number of threads, bookings, total segments or passenger, conversion rates, currencies used both inside and outside the system, and the number of payment transactions. Then there is a search section, a booking section, a look-to-book analysis, customer behavior by airline, dashboards for ancillary services sold, including amounts, quantities, and supplier breakdown, payment transactions, agency and agent behavior, and supplier performance as well. And you can also access and download the full list of bookings. Finally, it's important to note that this level of detail is not available in Amadeus or IATA. It's only accessible through this module. Let's now take a look at benefits. We have an extensive connectivity with more than 13 NDC connections, as well as connections with GDSs and low-cost airlines, which expand reach and air content offerings. With the Booking Tools module, users have access to intuitive navigation with simplified flight results, full control over bookings with real-time traceability, flexibility to adapt business rules and content, operational efficiency through financial automation, GDS's integration, and the ability to configure supplier queues. The Payment Flights module helps make payments more accurate by generating virtual cards in real time. If there is a problem with the card, a backend system ensures the process continues smoothly. Using virtual cards instead of cash reduces risk and improves tracking. And payments are secure, fast, and reliable, helping build strong relationships with suppliers and customers. And with the Business Intelligence Flights module, you gain a strategic view of the business through customizable dashboards based on segments. It enables more informed decisions making through detailed analysis of sales and the behavior of customers, agencies, and suppliers. It improves commercial performance with key metrics such as conversion, ancillaries, payment, and bookings. It also provides a complete analysis with the possibility of integrating external data, and offers direct support for commercial strategies and rebate management, making negotiations and follow-up easier. So Juniper Flights by Lleego is a technological solution for flight distribution and management, combining the power of the Juniper booking engine with Lleego's technology. Thanks to its extensive connectivity with NDC Airlines, GDSs, and low-cost airlines, and its specialized tools, such as booking tools, the payment flights, and the business intelligence flights, it offers a robust platform that streamlines operations, automates key processes, and provides strategic business insight. This combination enables agencies and tour operators and tourism companies to simplify flight bookings, enhance financial efficiency, and make data-driven decisions. And that's all for today. I'll check if there are any questions in the chat. Okay, I don't see any questions. We will wait a couple of minutes. I see some hands raised, but you need to or use the chat for your questions. Someone's asking if it's possible to add a few airlines. Of course, you can add as many airlines as needed. How many supporting carriers you have that operates flights originating from or to Iraq? We can check and let you know. We'll send you an email with this information because it's a bit specific. So don't worry, we'll contact you and we'll answer as soon as possible. What suppliers are available and what is the cost of the solution? Okay, we will contact you to let you know about the cost, and we also have on our website the portfolio, the host-to-host connections that are available, so you can also check that. We will send you the list through email. Okay, all the questions relating to the price, we will contact you via email and we'll inform you. Also about the timing, it will depend. I don't know exactly what you have contracted already, but the solution is already available, so it wouldn't require any development. It would be just a configuration of the system, but of course we can review your specific case and we'll let you know. Okay, so let me go back to the presentation. And just let you know that if you'd like to read back some of this information, you can find it on in your Juniper support tool under articles and webinars section. And you can also watch this webinar on the media tab of our website, juniper.com, and on our YouTube channel. Thank you all for your time. I hope you find the webinar useful. If you have any questions, feel free to send an email to us, salesconsultants@juniper.com, and we will be happy to help you. Thanks again and have a great day.